To turn the machine on or off, press the power button. Temperature is adjusted by using the up and down arrow buttons. To switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius temperature sets, while the machine is off, press and hold the up arrow button and then press the power button. You will now have the option of selecting either Fahrenheit or Celsius. Use the up and down arrows to select your choice and press the power button to confirm your selection. Out of the box, the CookTek SinAqua unit has 4 preset temperatures available. Additional preset temperatures can be accessed with a few simple key presses. While the machine is turned off, press and hold both the up and down arrow buttons and then the power button. This gives you access to the alternate options menu. Use the up and down arrow buttons to scroll through menu options until you find Sets. Press the lock button to confirm this choice. You can now choose between full or partial temperature sets. Use the up and down arrow buttons to select your choice and the power button to confirm your selection. You now have access to the temperature set you desired. When a hotel pan is placed inside the SinAqua unit and a temperature selected on the control panel, the heating LED will illuminate and the F for Fahrenheit or C for Celsius will flash to indicate that the machine is coming up to temperature. Once the desired temperature has been reached, the At Temp LED will turn on and the F or C will remain solid. The CookTek SinAqua comes with a lock feature to prevent unwanted changes from being made to your settings. To enable the lock, press the lock button 3 times. The red LED next to the lock button will illuminate and the power button becomes the only functional button on the control panel. To unlock a locked machine, press the lock button 3 times. The red LED next to the lock button will turn off, and any of the buttons on the control panel are now functional. The CookTek SinAqua comes with a built-in timer that must be enabled before it can be used. To access the timer menu while the machine is off, press and hold the down arrow button and then press the power button. You are now in the timer menu. There are 2 options, TEN for timer enable and TINT for timer interval. Use the up and down arrow buttons to navigate between these menu choices and the lock button to confirm your selection. To set the timer interval, highlight TINT and press the lock button to confirm your choice. You can now use the up and down arrow buttons to set the timer interval in minutes. Press the lock button to confirm your choice when you have set the proper timer interval. You will be returned to the timer menu. Now select TEN for timer enable and press the lock button to confirm your choice. From this option, you can turn the timer off or on by using the up and down arrow buttons to navigate between menu choices. Press the lock button to confirm your choice. Now press the power button to exit this menu. When the machine is turned on and a hotel pan placed inside the machine, the timer begins counting down. If you wish to check to see how much time has passed, press the lock button once. The display will briefly show in minutes how much time has passed. When the timer reaches the end of its selected interval, the display will read "Done" and the machine will beep. To reset the timer, remove the hotel pan from the machine and then place a new hotel pan into the machine. This will start the timer over at its beginning point. The CookTek SinAqua is easy to keep clean. Always turn off and unplug the machine prior to cleaning. Never immerse the SinAqua in water or place it in the dishwasher. The exterior surface can be cleaned with a mild detergent and damp cloth. With typical induction installations, induction-compatible cookware or servingware must be used. The CookTek SinAqua was designed to work with standard hotel pans, which may or may not be magnetic. The stamping process for standard hotel pans makes them magnetic enough to work with the CookTek SinAqua. CookTek SinAqua units are available in varying depths with either 2 or 3 spring-loaded temperature sensors. It is important that the hotel pans remain in contact with the temperature sensors at all times to ensure proper operation. For example, a 2.5-inch deep hotel pan should not be used in a 4-inch deep SinAqua well, as this contact is impossible and the machine will not function properly. In the event of an error, the display will flash an error code and the machine will beep the corresponding number of times to indicate which error the machine is experiencing. For a complete list of error codes, see your owner's manual. If you have additional questions, CookTek customer service can be reached by dialing area code 312-563-9600 extension 1 or by emailing customerservice@cooktek.com. Thank you and enjoy your SinAqua waterless induction food holding well.